Alien messages are known to exist, and none of the radio transmissions have yet to be deciphered. For example, Comet P67 has transmitted a song ever since it was discovered, which prompted ESA to build a probe and send it to the comet to find out if it's an alien message. Once the probe got there, what it found is unknown since the ESA only published a few dozen of the thousands of photos it took. Why? Unknown? Probably hiding alien structures, since the comet itself looks like an alien face on a round head with neck and shoulders. Saturn has been transmitting such songs, 24/7 like Comet P67. However, it seems that the rings of Saturn are an amplifier of sorts, sending the signals out into the cosmos. I believe that the rings are transmitting and receiving signals constantly, so deciphering them will be impossible, since separating just one from the thousands happening at once would be a job for AI, not for humans. Listen and decide for yourself. Saturn is calling you.